Here we are at the gated community. To finish up our work. Thank you. The drain on this master cool leaks, so we're going to fix it. Thank you. This water heater and AC closet has sustained some water damage. It has been repaired with filler. Thank you. Hi, and this is Ask This Old Handyman. On today's show, and what we do as part of our services is fix sliding glass screen doors that goes in here. We're going to replace the rollers and part of the latch and keeper. This part here. Thank you. We now close the door. This door did not lock at all. It now locks securely. And there is another great job done by Ask This Old Handyman. Thank you, and watch and see us again. And be sure to call us if you're in Tucson if you need handyman and plumbing services. Goodbye.